Okay, we'll be waiting right in front of the door. Okay, Mom? Okay. Hear that? Okay. Yeah. Wait, the blanket doesn't go there. Well, yeah. It goes there. There. Oh. There. All set. Okay, come on, let's go. Okay. What a nice house the Johnsons have, don't they, sweetie? Yes, and I can't believe that they're all pure golden retrievers. Okay, come on, let's go. Okay then. Are you girls ready to leave? Yep. Then let's go then. Okay. Come on. Come on, girls. Are you coming? Yes, sir. Come on, girls. I'm right out here. Thanks, Mom. You're welcome, sweetie. I'm gonna be waiting here, just like that is right there. Yup. Come on now, baby, let's go. Okay, then. Hello. Oh. Oh. Sorry, Mom. Is it okay, Abby? As long as you didn't hurt Abigail. Okay. Then, okay, come on, let's go. So, are we good? Yep, the house is all yours now. Okay, good. Thanks. You're welcome. Oh, no, wait, no. Thank you. You're welcome. Goodbye, bye. Hug.